Expansion devices. An expansion device is another basic component of a cooling system. The essential functions of an expansion device utilized in refrigeration systems are to reduce pressure from condenser pressure to evaporator pressure, regulate the refrigerant. The expansion devices utilized in refrigeration systems are often divided into fixed opening types or variable opening types. As the name implies, in fixed opening type the flow area remains fixed, while in variable opening type the flow area changes with changing mass flow rates. Classification of expansion devices. Hand, manual, expansion valves. Capillary tubes. Orifice. Constant pressure or automatic expansion valve, AEV. Thermostatic expansion valve, TEV. Float type expansion valve. High side float valve. Low side float valve. Electronic expansion valve. Capillary tube. A capillary may be a long, narrow tube of constant diameter. The word capillary may be a misnomer since the physical phenomenon is not important in the refrigeration application of capillary tubes. Typical tube diameters of refrigerant capillary tubes range from 0.5 mm to 3 mm, and the length ranges from 1.0 meters to 6 meters. Several combinations of length and bore are available for an equivalent mass flow and pressure drop. Automatic expansion valve, AEV. An automatic expansion valve, AEV, also referred to as a continuing pressure expansion valve, acts in such a fashion that it maintains a continuing pressure and thereby a continuing temperature in the evaporator. The valve consists of an adjustment spring which will be adjusted to take care of the required temperature within the evaporator. Thermostatic expansion valve, TEV. The thermostatic expansion valve is the most versatile expansion valve and is most ordinarily used in refrigeration systems. A thermostatic expansion valve maintains a continuing degree of superheat at the exit of the evaporator, hence it is best for dry evaporators, which prevents the slugging of the compressors, and it doesn't allow the liquid refrigerant to enter the compressor. Float type expansion valves. Float type expansion valves are normally used with flooded evaporators in large capacity refrigeration systems. The afloat type valve opens or closes depending upon the liquid level as sensed by a buoyant member, called a float. The float could take the shape of a hollow metal or plastic ball, a hollow cylinder, or a pan. Thus the float valve always maintains a constant liquid level during a chamber called a float chamber. Electronic type expansion valve. An electronic type expansion valve consists of an orifice and a needle. The needle moves up and down in response to the magnitude of current within the component. A small resistance allows more current to flow through the heater of the expansion valve. As a result, the valve opens wider. A little negative coefficient thermistor is employed if superheat control is desired. The control of this valve is independent of refrigerant and refrigerant pressure, hence it works in reverse flow direction also. This is it for today's video. Let us know in the comment section which topic you want to see next. Before leaving, check the exclusive offers, link in the description below. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To find out more on the subject, continue watching the next video.